Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I have a small Dollar General haul to share with you guys, but this was over a couple trips and I thought that, you know, why not share it? I found especially one interesting item that I know you guys are going to probably be just as excited as I am about. So to jump right in, I want to show a candle that I got, and I'm going to insert a clip of that now. It is rose water and jasmine. It smells very nice. It has a really nice throw, and as you can tell, it's burnt really nicely. Also, I did pick up myself another plus size shirt. Word is Dollar General is going to stop selling clothing. So if you can find anything on clearance and stuff, their clothes are actually pretty good quality for their price and where they came from. I really do like the Bobby Brooks. Now, this is a sweatshirt, hoodie type style. Can't really wear this until the fall, but it's like a tie-dye, beautiful tie-dye kind of print. Pinks, purple, a minty blue, very beautiful, you guys. So I definitely recommend trying or checking them out. In their clothing section, I always find really nice pieces there. That was $12.50. Very thin material too, so early fall, late fall, it's going to be perfect for that time. Next up, the next item I found, and I'm so glad that I did because I saw this on your video, Olivia. And this is the Powerhouse Kitchen Cleaner Non-Toxic Grapefruit Fragrance for Happier Cleaning. And this is free of sulfates, parabens, 16 fluid ounces for $1. And they're trying to look snazzy with the little, yeah. Anyways, very cute packaging actually on this. This was only $1 in their dollar deal section. And I am very excited to start cleaning with this product. I am very curious. So if you guys want a review, let me know because I would be happy to do it. Like, I'm so curious about this myself. Had to pick that up when I saw that on Olivia's video. I thought, yeah, I'm gonna link her channel below, you guys. Definitely go check her out. She does hauls and she's all about family. So yes, definitely go check her out. Random, I saw this Diamond Cosmetics. This is a manicure set, and it has tweezers, manicure sticks, emery boards, nail clippers, and toenail clippers. And I just thought this was just a great find for $1. I actually, when I first saw it, I wanted it for the orange sticks. I know, 2 orange sticks for $1, but you get all this other stuff that I can put back and pull it out when I actually need it. Speaking of nails, this is something that might not think about using for their nails, but in my nail tutorials I always use when I'm making nail decals and stuff, and I get a lot of questions about the Bundle Monster Silicone Mat. Right, it's a Lotus, it's called Lotus Mat, and they sell it from Maniology now. They changed their name a while ago. And Silicone Mat. Now, in regards to Silicone Mat, there's nothing special about it. It's a silicone mat. So, I picked this up for $4, I believe, Dollar General. And it's a silicone baking mat, non-stick, and it's purple. And, yeah, the price and what you're going to be able to do nail art-wise with this is fantastic. Of course, it's super nice and soft. It's flexible. It is thin. It's just a silicone basic mat. But in regards to nail art, you guys, this is a really great find at the Dollar General, and I had to pick it up and I had to share it with you guys. So if you don't own a silicone mat and you love stamping, maybe making decals and things like that, but you don't want to pay $15, anywhere from like $10 to $15 for a silicone mat, head on to your Dollar General. Pick yourself up one of these baking mats. Seriously, you'll love it. Like, once you get into nail art and stuff, that's something that I thought that I didn't need. And technically you don't need it. It's just really nice to have, especially for when you want to start making decals and stuff. So moving on, I picked up a backup of the LACOLORS Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss in Heavenly. This is my all-time favorite lip gloss. I'm not a lip gloss girl. I literally own maybe 3 lip glosses right now, and I use one of them pretty much, and that's this one. And mine in my collection is already down to like here, so I thought that while they still had it before they pull it, I grabbed another one that was $2. So while I was there, I found another lip gloss, and these are actually really nice formulas. They're not sticky. If the gloss is sticky, I cannot wear it. I will not wear it. I cannot. Oh, I just cannot. But this is the LACOLORS High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss. These smell fantastic also, and this is in Winked. Now, I find that I used this one the other day, and I've used this one, Heavenly. Pair it with my Maybelline 920 Nude Lust, and it just makes like the perfect lip combo, nude combo for fair skin, and it's just absolutely stunning. I love it. So I picked up those two lip glosses. Now, yesterday we went, and before I forget, I'm going to insert a picture of a couple pool things we got. Has anyone else been having trouble finding pools in their area, like for their children? Our area is completely sold out, like all 5 of our Dollar Generals, both of our Walmarts. You can't buy them online. They're outrageously expensive for like a kid pool. It's ridiculous. Anyways, so Connor got this thing called a drencher, and it's basically like a wet flying disc thing you can throw at each other or whatever. And then a pair of neon yellow tinted kind of goggles. Yeah, he had some money, so, and he wanted some new goggles, so we went to the Dollar General. That's what was the whole trip was for this time. And of course I took a gander at the makeup, and look what I found. This is new. This isn't even listed on their website yet. They have the 3 color blocking. They have a cool, a nude, and rose. But those are the color family that they have already. So yesterday I saw this one for $3, and it's glam. Like, how beautiful. It even has really nice packaging. I'm loving it. And just like the other palettes, it's styled just like that. I don't know if this is going to be a Dollar General exclusive or what. But I was really excited. This is a more neutral but smoky palette. So once again, like I always like to do, I'm really excited for new LACOLORS eyeshadows. And we're going to see how many looks we can come up with using this eyeshadow palette. So you get 2 big highlight shades, 4 lid shades, and 4 crease shades. So 10 shades for $3. And they're probably really nice and creamy, like most of the time. Look at those mats. Yes. Alright, so I am just excited, over the moon excited to try this out and share some looks with you guys. I already have several ideas. My Dollar General haul, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more haul videos. Don't forget to check that description box. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you all are having a blessed day, and stay tuned for